very disappointed. I do not recommend Bravest Studios. Well guys, stocks are stressful as hell. Like, if you guys watched yesterday's video, you guys know that 2 days ago, I randomly woke up, I threw $1,000 on GameStop just for the fun of it. Just because, you know, if I lose $1,000, it's whatever, I lost $1,000. But if I put 10,000, if I put more than 10,000, it's like, fuck man, I just lost that much. So whatever I invest is, I'm already thought about losing it. Like, it's gone, I didn't think about it. So I woke up this morning, I held on to GameStop. I had 12.5 shares of GameStop. Yesterday, aftermarket, it was at like 330, 350. Guys, this morning I woke up at 7 a.m. and went up to $500 per stock. I ended up selling 3 stocks for $1,500, $500 each. And I still have 9 shares left in GameStop. Currently, right now, I'm checking it like every second. It did dip down a lot on pre-market, but now that market's open, what are we sitting at? We're sitting at 394. So I'm hoping it goes back up to 500 again. If it goes anywhere near 500 again, I'm gonna probably sell a few more because this is a bubble at the end of the day. GameStop is not worth these stuff. If you guys saw, it's all part of the Reddit and everything. So I wanna make sure I cover my ass and make sure that, you know, I'm making some money. I also did Naked. I put $500 on Naked yesterday, 30 minutes before market close, and then I bought it at $2.15 and went up to $3.25. I pulled out 30 minutes after, and I made a little over $250 just on that 30 minutes, just because I pulled out, which I probably should have held on to it. Naked right now is sitting at $3.15, so it's about the same, but it is what it is. You know, it's all about gambling. But like I said, we're pulling up to the first thrift store. Let's hope we find something good. Let's hope we find something interesting today. And let's hope we make some money off these stocks. I'll keep you guys posted throughout the day on what I'm looking like. Currently, like I said, let's just check it real quick. I've been checking it like every other minute. Okay, GameStop's still at 394. Naked's at 286, so it went down from 315. Express at 793, AMC at 356, which that's down. I'm losing on that, and yeah, let's just hope. I'm gonna pull out today though. On GameStop, once it goes near like 450, 500, I'm gonna pull out some more stuff today because I can't be risking too much money, and I'd rather have profit, you know. So let's go into the thrift store. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let's get it, guys. Sadly, only a few items, just essential polo ruffler in, khaki jacket, Hard Rock Cafe from Rome. Oh my god, I can't even show you. Vintage Florida Marlins. I don't think I'm gonna get this, but Joshua Tree. Just get these 3. Sadly, that was a super dry day today. We only left with, what, 2 t-shirts and then a polo jacket, nothing special at all. We only spent $8. We're pulling up to the second store now, but I forgot today is kind of like rack out days where they don't really bring out new stuff. They kind of just take out the old stuff. So if we don't find anything, we don't find anything. It's, you know, it is what it is. I have a lot of packing to do. I have a lot of listing to do. So it's better that we're not finding too many things because, like I said, I can't be overwhelmed with inventory. So today's finds, we found this vintage made in the USA Wonder Bra satin jacket, brand new with the tags. I don't know if I'm gonna grab it. I might grab it and maybe try to take off the Wonder Bra branding because it's kind of funny. And then we did find these Scotch and Soda little bathing suit shorts. Super sick, I love the camo on them. Found a Robert Graham dress shirt. Helmut Lang dress shirt. This crazy all over print jacket. Pretty sure it's a woman's jacket, but it's just so hard, the colors on it. Brand new with tags, 2018 Halloween Horror Nights. I just love this vintage super thick crew neck. I'll probably print something on it. Just a basic Bike Week shirt. And then this one's my favorite find, super sick bike shirt. And then on the back, this bitch rides her own. So I just left that thrift store, and again, that wasn't too bad. We got everything I showed you. the Wonder Bra satin jacket. I thought it was just funny. And it's brand new with tags. It's a cool satin jacket. We got that Robert Graham shirt, the Bike Week shirts, the dress shirts, the helmet Lang. So yeah, it wasn't too bad, you know, better than nothing. I spent $25, so I'll definitely easily make that money back. But all right, so last time I talked to you guys, I told you guys about the stocks, and that was about 2 hours ago. GameStop was trading about 400 or so. Now it's at $150. I'm taking a huge loss on it, but I also sold. I basically got my original investment back this morning. So everything that's sitting in there is kind of just profit, I guess. If I lose it, it is what it is. If I pull out anything, it's just anything I gain. I already got my initial $1,000 back. So I guess let's just kind of let it ride. I'm gonna let it ride for a few hours, but yo, it dropped like $300. It's insane. And the reason is because Robinhood, I guess, put restriction, or Robinhood blocked it. So millions of people use Robinhood, me myself included, so I'm kind of confused because I still see the stocks available in my Robinhood. Now I haven't tried selling any recently, so I don't know if I try selling it, maybe they won't let me sell it, I have no idea. But yeah, Dave Portnoy actually just posted a thing about Robinhood that like they're screwing people over, like they canceled their company. So I guess we'll see. I'll let you guys updated and let you guys know how I'm doing. I'm still up. But yeah, it's so stressful with stocks. You don't know when to sell, when to go. So I'm not gonna check it for a little while, and then I'll check it like in an hour or two and see how much I'm up or how much I'm down. All right, moving supplies. We need these medium boxes. Damn, I guess everyone's moving. Look at that, it's basically completely empty. I guess let's get like 10 of them. The good thing about Home Depot, if you didn't know, you can actually return boxes that aren't used. So if I buy like 100 boxes and I only use 90 of them, or if I only use 50 of them, you can come back to Home Depot and they'll give you a refund on the boxes that aren't used, as long as they're like not damaged, obviously. But yeah, let's grab a couple of these medium boxes. Let's head back home and start packing and see how Captain's doing. I just made it back home, but I actually just got a notification on OfferUp. Someone's gonna buy an old camera lens. If you guys have been watching for a little while now, right before I went to Colorado, I actually upgraded my photography camera. So I've been sitting on these lenses that don't fit my new camera, so I've been choosing them, I've been trying to sell them. I'm actually gonna finally go sell them. So let's go sell them real quick, and then we'll come back here and I'll continue talking to you guys. Hey, how's it going? Check it out. The bag I can't give you, but I always keep it in that.
There's everything?
It would always be on the camera, and then for some reason I misplaced the back cap.
No problem.
And it has a UV filter, so you can always take it off in. But there's no scratches on it. It's been on it since I've got it.
No, but it look good.
Yeah, no, yeah, it's good.
Good.
I got the 5D Mark III, so it's a full frame.
Yeah, I know.
When I went to buy it, I brought that lens and I realized it didn't fit, so I didn't even want to sell it.
You can do it, but you need
an adapter.
An adapter.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not the same.
No, especially because it'll be cropped with the full frame. So.
Then you do nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
No, but I got a crop factor. I got a.
Perfect. If you don't mind, could I have the bag?
Oh yeah, no problem.
Sorry, I use it for my L lenses, so.
I got a 7D Mark II. But
oh, okay.
I use it most of the time for sport.
Yeah, I had the 70D. I was using for video basically.
Oh, that one is for video.
Yeah, but then I slowly got the 5D because I never take video with it. I take more photos, so.
No, that one is a huge camera.
Yeah. But like I said, if you have any problems, just shoot me a message, but everything should be good.
Okay, thank
you.
Okay,
have a good day. Ah, little guy. You gotta say hi to the people. You gotta say hi to the people. They love seeing Captain. You know we're moving. We're moving in a few days. We don't know where, but we're moving. We're moving. A little update on the apartment situation. So you guys have been, if you guys have been watching daily, you guys saw we got approved for apartment. I got like emotionally invested. Literally the day before I was gonna go get the keys, bring them the money, they call me, they say, hey, sorry, you have to put 6 months down. 6 months down is over $10,000 cash. And it's like, I didn't want to do that. You guys told me not to do that. Well, I reached out to my landlord between yesterday and the day before with the money I make. And just overall, every place that I've been looking at since then has been so crappy. So it's like, you know what, I think I just have to take the hit. I have to spend the money, which is a lot of money. I actually thought about doing YouTube live, auctioning off things like the Bape, the Supreme, the Nike SBs that I have. If you guys think that's a good idea, comment down below. Would you guys like to see an Instagram live where basically I sell a bunch of stuff and, you know, use that money to go to the apartment? Because again, $10,000 is a lot to spend out of cash at one time for renting, not even for buying. But my realtor should let me know tomorrow if the apartment is still available. It is. I think I might just pull that trigger and pull the 10 grand and move into the apartment that you guys have been seeing. If not, I'm gonna continue looking for a new apartment, but the first is in a few days, so we need to get that going. Now, on to today's title and thumbnail and everything for the video. I wanted to talk to you guys about Bravest Studios shorts. You guys know black and yellow is my favorite colorway. When I saw these, I was so hyped. I instantly bought them, and then they came in the mail. And I'll be honest with you, I am very, very disappointed. Now again, this is 100% authentic from Bravest Studio. I ended up paying $80-something for these shipped, I believe. I believe they were like 70-something, then like $8 shipping. Now, the problem that I have with these shorts is they look nice, the print is whatever. The quality is super thin. It's not like what I was thinking these would be similar to would be the PacSun Fear of God Essential mesh shorts, which are really nice, high quality shorts. These are not. These are very lightweight. These feels like China. It doesn't feel good for spending $80. Now, the real issue that I have, it doesn't matter of like the heaviness or quality. What I have is when you're wearing these, and let's say you stretch them out, you can see the white. Like these were printed on white shorts. So hold on, let me see if the camera can pick it up. Let me try to get in focus real quick. All right, you could see the white. So there's like white spots right here, and like if you stretch it out, look, you could see the white cracking all throughout. Obviously the inside is white, so it's like they printed these on a white mesh gym short instead of printing on a black and using like yellow, which I understand maybe they have to, but like look how crappy this looks. Let me get it in focus. Alright, so if you guys see, like I said, when you're wearing it and it stretches, it just turns to white. So it's like super cheap, super not nice quality. Very disappointed. I do not recommend Bravest Studios. And you know, it's honestly for the price point. If those were $30, if those were $25, okay, whatever, it's not that bad. But if I'm spending $80, I'm expecting something similar high quality. Those are not, and I don't know if that's like that for every single one. If you guys, that's my first time buying, so if you guys have had those pants or those shorts, let me know. Do all of them, when you stretch them, do they all like turn white like that? I think it's horrible. I think it looks really bad. And like I said, if you could tell it was printed on white, so there's like lines up top that you could see where it's just white printed. So I think it's very bad quality for $80. I do not recommend anyone. I know they sell out. They actually resell. I'll probably throw those up on my website, honestly, for retail, what I paid. I don't want to upcharge you guys, but also I don't want to lose money, so I'll see what I'm going to do with those. Maybe I'll keep them. I have no idea. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that I do not recommend that. And yeah, it's just not good quality, not good quality. Very disappointed. I give a 2 out of 10 in my book. Now, on to some newer stuff. I just recently got this in the mail. My third gun shirt, Florida with the gun. And my favorite on the back, welcome to the gun showing, St. Weedle Down 911. If we go to my closet, oh my god, I can't wait to get a bigger closet. This is my gun shirts. So we have one, this is the second one, and then we have one more. This one's like a crispy one. This one's not faded at all. The orange really stands out. If you guys have any gun related shirts, if you guys have this specific shirt, hit me up on Instagram, DITR954. I will definitely cop off of you. If you have any Glock shirts, anything gun related, Second Amendment, look at this one, this is my favorite. I'm a gunaholic. Any gun related shirts in a size like XL, send me an Instagram, at DITR954. I will 100% buy it off of you. I'll cash up you instantly. I love gun shirts. So I actually posted on my Instagram right now that I wasn't gonna upload today at all, but I figured, you know what, we need to get a video out. I need to upload every single day. Yesterday, you guys saw we did the Robinhood investment. You saw this morning the Robinhood investment again. Currently, I am sitting on 50% of my stocks of GameStop. I'm sitting on 100% of my stocks on AMC, and right now I'm currently down on all of them. I'm down 5% total right now. Okay, well it won't show. I'm down percent. After hours, 5%. Currently, GameStop is trading at $2.64. AMC is at 10. Naked's at $1.61. Express is at 6. So, yeah. Doge is at 0.03. Doge, I hit good today. Doge, I had a $280 day today on Doge. So that was a good. It kind of counteracted everything else. But I'll catch up to you guys tomorrow. I'll let you guys know tomorrow morning what the prices are looking at. If I sold, if I kept. I'll let you guys know everything. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video, 8 p.m. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Check link down below, emcvlogs.com. Every purchase does help support these videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video, 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.